Okay, this is going to be 8.5b. Let's check what's going on here. What are the slope and y-intercept of the graph of the linear function? Graph. So I don't know how your teachers taught you this one, but I always say, hey, once you see coordinate grid, 2 points, distance spreadsheets, menu 413. Sky's the limit how you want to approach this. If you're very, very smart, make sure you know that you have the idea of Mr. Slope, positive slope, and negative slope. So I would undefined slope and zero slope. I know positive slope, that's not a positive slope. So anything with a positive, I would get rid of it. It's very flat, so this is your answer. Okay. Sir, I didn't get you. Okay, well then pick the 2 points, that point and that point, and do your rise over your run. So your M, right? To my rise, 1, 2. And then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Negative 8, which can get you negative 1/4, right? My y-intercept is where my line crosses my y-axis. It's in the negatives. So it's not going to be negative 6. Anything negative 6 down here, that one's out, that one's out. Well, then again, you're back to these two. And then it was it's a negative 1/2, so that's it. So my first thing to say, listen spreadsheets. Honestly, that's it. Don't even worry about it too much. Turn it on. This is the fallback plan, but if you're super smart, I would do listen spreadsheets last. Just looking at it makes it pretty easy. And it just gives you what? Straight up free time. Put the numbers here. I usually come back here and menu 4, 1, 3. B, control this madness here, enter, enter. Now you can see that it's not a negative 4 or a 4, so those two are out, and it's going to be a negative 1.5, so it's not a positive, so yeah, again, C. I don't know how to make it easier than that. C. Okay, next question. Again, once you see these graphs, once you see this, listen spreadsheets, and then, unless you're pretty good at everything. Okay, this one here. I'm going to say it's just, geez, for me, slope. I know it's a negative slope already, right? Positive slope, negative slope. Wow, this guy's really messed up. Okay, now, I guess M, right? Let's look at the M. To me, it's crossing at a negative 6. So that's going to be, this is a coordinate. You all see that? I know it's already 0, negative 6. That's how the coordinate is written right there. 0 on the x-axis, y, negative 6. Your slope, let me see. Well, I know from here to here, it's crossing that corner. I know it's crossing that corner. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to go slope and rise over your run. I'm going to go up 3 and to the left, negative 1. So it's going to be a negative 3. Okay. If that's too much thinking, that's fine. Just go to list of spreadsheets. We're going to use those coordinates, negative 4, 6, and 1, 9. And luckily, I had just done that one before, but let me just do it again. I believe it's a negative 1. Oh, my bad. Negative 4, 6. Negative 4, 6. And then 1, negative 9. Negative 9. I actually come back over here. Menu 4, 1, 3. And then be here. You should be professionals by the end of the year. So there it is. Negative 3, like I had a while ago. And the B is the coordinate base where it crosses the y-axis again. So it would be a 0, negative 6. Holy moly, listen spreadsheets. Once I see this listen spreadsheets, let's see. Select the correct answer from the drop down menu. The best describes the starting temperature. Oh, starting temperature will be over here. Boom. Time 0. Beginning of time is 0. Okay. At the rate and the rate of change slash the slope of the temperature for the situation. Basically, they're asking for your what? Your B and your M. So again, listen spreadsheets tend to be the best thing. Which points do you use? It doesn't matter. I'll just use these 2 points. Why are these 2 points? Because I feel like it. Anything is these two are close to each other, really easy. Kind of what they do is give me no need to glance around. I'm mixing up. So you can use all 4 of them you want. I'll just use these 2. Now, this is a starting point. This is your B. This is the rate of change, your slope. And we're just going to work on it from there. Since I've already done it before, I'm just going to go type over them. As you type over it, guys, it's already changing up your slope here. And there it is. So my starting point is my B, which is at 82 degrees. This is your starting point, roughly 82, yes. So in here it's 82 now, definitely. And the rate of change, okay. The rate of change of the temperature is dropping, okay, and it's going to be at a -4. Let's see what answer choices we get here. Here we'll go with, I think 82 works. Here it's decreasing because as you read anything from left to right, temperature drop. As you go from left to right, it is going down. And it's going how much per hour? Is it down? It's -4, I forgot. Yeah, 4. So decreasing means it's a negative. And here 4. It's going down by 4. Oh man, this is a joke again. This is spreadsheets. Oh great, same thing again. Okay, the graph linear function is shown on the coordinate grid. Once you see this again, this is spreadsheets. I'll do it both ways. Okay. Very fast. You know, measure slope, positive slope, negative slope, undefined, zero slope. Now I'm going to go ahead and test the slope. I'll do my rise. Remember, slope is known as your rise over your run from point to point. Any 2 points. Since they give me these 2 points, I'll use them. I'll rise 1, I'll rise 2. So I'm going to have a rise of 2 and a run of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 over 8, also known as 1/4. Now please make sure you understand these numbers are going by 1 so I can count by ones. If not, they're going by 2s or 10s, you better count appropriately. Okay. So my slope is 1/4. On the y-axis, where it crosses the y-axis, where this line crosses the y-axis, and it's crossing right there at -2. So that coordinate right there, that coordinate is 0, -2. Oh, again, once I tell everybody to see a table like this, listen spreadsheets automatically. Okay, Josh is having say wanting to buy a computer. He put the initial amount that he had saved into a jar. Initial amount is going to be your B. Each month he puts an additional amount of money into the jar. The table shows a linear relationship between the number of months Josh has added money to the jar, X, and the total number of money in the jar, Y. Okay, where's the initial amount? So the initial amount is going to be your B's. Your B's right here. This is basically your y-intercepts. And then this, the amount adds each month, those are your M's, okay? These are your M's. So we're going to come back here and just, how do you know what to take? Just change the days. I'm sorry, the months. 5, 7. Do you need all the points? I would say no. 225. 285. Okay. So M's at 30. So each of these M's on here should be at 30. So that's out. That's the matchup. And your B, your y-intercept starting point, initial amount, starting point. Yes, that matches up. Okay, so let's look at this one here. Oh, this is a good question. I think this is one of my most missed questions in my class. So we're doing a Control T on the calculator for that from IXL. Control T it. Okay, the value of Y is, so Y is, now to change the colors, 6 more than, that means 6 more than 6, 7th grade thing, put plus 6 at the end. The quotient of opposite of X and 4. So I'll go opposite of X and 4, the quotient to divide, opposite X, negative X, and 4. So what this is another way of saying we have Y equals, several ways of writing this one up here. Y equals negative 1/4 X plus 6. All right, you can type this in the calculator, this in the calculator. It's not that one. It's the quotient makes it divide. That's multiplication. That's a product. So this one looks correct. And now which graph matches this up? Which graph does this one match up to this one? Does it match up to this one? Or does it match up with these tables? Ooh. So the way I approach this one is I'm going to go out here to turn it on. I'm going to try to do document. I'm going to go to what I've been telling everybody is just go to Two graphs, and that's my equation right there, right? So that's my y equals, that's my y equals already. I'm just going to kind of go ahead and control division and put a negative x. Okay, maybe I might freak out. I'll put the negative in the front. X over 4 plus 6. Enter. Okay, so me, it's not that one. Definitely not that one. It's, I think I'll guess my grid here. I'm going to go turn on menu, view, and I'm going to turn my grid, and I'm going to turn the line to grid. So there it is. So it's going through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think it's going through 6, going through 6. And look at it right here. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I think this is my answer right here. That's one of them right here. That one's right there. Which two? Oh, that's my answer. Let's see that these are wrong, okay? And so when we do that, at this point here, I'm going to go to Control T and just check out the coordinates, right? Negative 1 and 28, wrong. Here, let's look at this one. 3 and negative 3 and 18. Actually, you can just see right there, 1 and 2 is wrong. Okay, so that, I don't know, just makes us feel way better. That's my answer. Oh, same thing again. Okay, so let's go to again, y equals. The value of y is 3 more than twice the opposite of x, which is hilarious. Y is, again, y equals 3 more than means put at the end, guys. So plus 3. Twice the opposite of x. I guess I should use a different color. So we're going to go twice, 2 times. That means twice. Twice the opposite of x. 2 times an x is that, twice x. But we're going to do the opposite of x. So we're going to go with 2. I go 2 times a negative x. Which is basically what? 2 times x, 2x. Positive times a negative, negative. So we're going to go with a negative 2x. And there it is. So now, I obviously see it there. Now, I know m's again, the major key, my slope. Positive slope, negative slope. So it can't be that one. I think it looks like this one already. It's going through the 3 over here. So let's just come out here and graph that again. So we're going to go with negative 2x plus 3 and see if these tables match up or if the graph matches up. So what I'm going to do is start in a whole new document. I called in and found out with TI that you need to clear it up only because it starts messing up each other's, I guess, ideas when you do the calculations. So we're going to go to negative 2x plus 3. So there it is. Definitely doesn't look like that one. Let me see. Add a 3 and right between a 1 and 2. I think that's my answer right here. Boom. That one and that one. Let's see that it's not this stuff over here. I'm going to Control T it. So 3, 0. 3, 0, no. And then 0, I can't see that one, so let me just go up. And 0, 3. And then we check out the negative 4 and negative 5. Negative 4 and 11. So that one's out. These two are out. I feel very confident that those are my 2 answers. And I think that's it. Break.